In the last 3 months, Pablo and I have made around $150 with our hobby 3D printing, without even selling a single physical 3D print. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to do the same.
As Michael just said, we've been pretty successful when it comes to monetizing our passion for 3D printing. But how have we done that? We've used Bambu Lab's Makerworld app, which is basically a small community of people who have 3D printers who upload their designs or use other people's designs on the platform. And the better your design performs, the more points you get. Unlike their competitors, Makerworld is unique in that its shop has a wider variety of items. It sells things like models, kits, and most importantly, gift cards. Because with these gift cards, you could buy actual 3D printers from the Bambu Lab website and resell them online. This is the most efficient way of making money from this platform because you can convert a ton of your points just directly into cash. Alternatively, they have the Bambu Lab exclusive program, which allows you to just directly redeem your points into cash. The problem is that you make a lot less money doing this method than just reselling the actual printers. However, it is a lot easier to do. So it just depends on what you think is better for you.
So now that you are pretty hooked into actually wanting to make money on this website, I'm going to give you some tips that have helped us get a lot of views and impressions. First one is to actually care about your thumbnails. Make sure your thumbnails are clean, with a clean background and contrasting background. Like for example, if you have a black item, make sure to set it on a white background. The next tip is to post often and try and do a wide variety of prints, because you never know which print is going to do good. Also, make sure that the prints are high quality and you don't just prioritize quantity over quality. Another tip is to actually upload 3MF files on top of your STL files, because Bambu Lab actually rewards you with more points if you do that. And finally, the last tip is that you should share this account and Makerworld profile with all your social medias, because that actually does bring in a good amount of views from other.
Now, I'm going to show you guys two of our most popular 3D designs that we've uploaded onto Makerworld. So here we are on the Makerworld P&M Prints page. These are all our 3D models, and if we go to one of our more popular designs, like the wired earbud organizer, we can understand why it's so popular. First of all, it tackles a problem that a lot of people face, which is messy earbuds. But we also designed a solution that was very easy to understand and it looks good. And probably the most important reason is our thumbnail. Despite its simplicity, it works really well in that it has a very good background that contrasts with the color of the earbud organizer. And when you're scrolling by in the Bambu Lab page, it makes it just very easy to understand, which makes people want to click on the design and learn more. Another design we made that turned out to be really popular was the 3D printing gift card coupon we made. Even though it's a really played out idea, I think the reason it did well is because of how simple it is, which means it applies to more people. And I think it also helped that our thumbnail transmitted the idea really well because of how contrasting the colors were.
Now, the final level to this website is basically being able to sell a license. It gets unlocked when you have 200 followers, which we don't have yet, so go follow our Makerworld. But pretty much what it allows you to do is charge a certain amount a month for other people to be allowed to sell your 3D prints and files. And I think this is really cool, because you can basically make money on this website without ever having to sell a physical 3D print or individual STL files. Now, I do understand that the money you're going to make from this website isn't going to make you rich, but I think it's a pretty nice little side income that you can kind of have that'll cover 3D printing costs and maybe even fund a couple little cool things that you want to buy.
We hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, we'd appreciate it if you dropped a like and subscribed. And if you'd like to learn more about our Makerworld page, check out our link in the description, and feel free to drop a follow so we can hit 200 followers. We'll see you guys next week.